Today on Lone Star Grills, we're firing up our Santa Maria for one of the boldest wing recipes you'll ever try. These fire wings will light up your taste buds with flavor and heat, caramelized in our double secret fire sauce recipe. So if you're ready for this one, let us know by hitting that like button right now, and let's go. Let's kick this off by making our incredible fire sauce. In a medium-sized pot, start with 2 cups of ketchup. Now add 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup Worcestershire, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, and 1/4 cup of your favorite hot sauce. Simmer and stir over medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, then set it aside. We have 3 pounds of party wings here, which are just drums and flats. Simply hit these up with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a generous coating of our LSG Texas Bold, then give them a good mix to get everything coated well. We'll be doing today's cook on our Lone Star Grills Santa Maria, the perfect tool for today's fire wings recipe. We've built a medium-sized fire here using a mixture of oak and hickory. Just give it a few minutes to preheat and then get your wings on. Turn these wings and adjust your grate height as needed. Let the Santa Maria lay down some beautiful char and smoke flavor. As soon as they hit around 180 degrees Fahrenheit, get them into a bowl, pour about half your fire sauce in, and give them a good mix. Then get them right back on the Santa Maria, lower those grates down a little closer to the fire to get that perfect caramelization. This is what makes Santa Maria cooking so much fun. And as soon as these are done to your liking, you can remove them from the grill and serve them up just the way you like. And don't forget to use the rest of that fire sauce for dipping. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below. And we'll see you on the next one.